In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can reset a Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2 Xbox headset and how you can actually do it. It's super simple, so let's start. What you need to do is you want to press and hold for about 30 seconds the power off button and power on button with the mode button right here. So you're gonna have it where you're gonna also like turning up the volume, etc. And you're gonna have the power off and the mode, and this is the way how you're gonna like fix the issues that you have with it. So you're gonna press and hold both, and that's how we're gonna fix it. So again, you can take the headset, you can plug it in, turn it on, and then just press the power button and the mode button for about 30 seconds, and that's how it's done. So let me know in the comments if it actually helped you and you solve the issue what you have, like what kind of issue you have with it. But this is how you're gonna actually reset it. So yeah, thank you and have a great day and goodbye.